In this lesson, we will make a commonly seen traffic light. First, let's do the wire connection according to the connection diagram. Plug the red, yellow, and green LED to the breadboard. Connect the negative ends of the LEDs to a 220 ohm resistor each. The other ends of the resistor connect to the ground row of the breadboard. Lead out the ground port of the Uno board to the breadboard. Now, positive end of red LED connect to D10, yellow LED to D7, green one to D4. After wire connection is done, let's upload the test program to the board. First, connect your Uno to computer with a USB cable. Then take a look at the sample code. You can see no libraries needed. Now open Arduino IDE, select the board and COM port. Then directly copy the program from the supporting file. The pin definition in the program is according to the circuit connection. Paste the program here. Click Verify to check compiling mistakes. If codes are correct, click Upload to upload the program to the board. After uploading is done, you can see the LEDs are being turned on and off in traffic light pattern. Test is now complete. Thank you.